Dear students, our safety is very important at public places like roads, schools, and also on the playgrounds. So, today we are going to learn just that. So, let us start with today's session, Safety First, which is chapter number 3. And today we will be learning safety at school, on playground, in swimming pool, and on the road. We are also going to learn about first aid. This is part number 2 of the lesson. In the last session, we had studied about introductory section of the lesson, safety at home, burns, electric shocks, and poisoning. These are the various hazards that we learned in the last session, including safety at home and some introductory part of the lesson. To start with, we are going to learn about how to be safe at school. In schools, accidents can happen when children run and push each other. We can avoid such accidents by following rules. Students should not rush up and down the stairs, and students should not climb on desks and chairs or throw things around. This can ensure that we are safe in school. Now let us see how we can be safe on playgrounds and in swimming pool. We have to follow the rules of the game while playing. Many times what happens is when we are playing, some students cheat during playing and then we go to fight with them, and this can create an accident or it can be hazardous sometimes. So we have to follow the rules of the game while playing. We have to wait for our turn at sides. Then in swimming pools, we have to use swimming tubes for swimming if we are not an expert swimmer. Always swim in the presence of an adult. We have to take care and be cautious while swimming, and we have to do it especially in front of adults so that if at all something wrong happens, then adults can save us. Now let us see how we can follow safety rules on the road. We have to follow traffic rules for our safety and safety of others also. Carelessness on the road can cause accidents, so we have to be very careful while walking, while driving, even a bicycle. To avoid such accidents, one must walk on the footpath. While walking, we should walk on footpath. While driving a bicycle, we have to follow the traffic rules. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. Look to your right, then to your left, and then again you have to look in the right and then cross the road. And if there is a traffic, we should cross the road when traffic stops. One should not rush, and to avoid rush, we have to start out in time. So if we have to reach somewhere, we have to start in time so that we can avoid rush, because many times there is one proverb, haste makes waste. So while rushing, many times some mishaps happen or some wrong happens. So to avoid that, we have to start out in time. Now let us see what is first aid. First aid is the medical help given to an injured or a sick person before proper medical aid arrives. It is not a main treatment, but it is necessary because a proper medical aid sometimes requires time. So before that, we must give some medical help, which is called as first aid. Immediate first aid can save a person's life or prevent a permanent injury. So it is equally important along with the main medical aid. While giving first aid, be calm and make the injured or a sick person comfortable. You can make him sleep for that sake. So make injured sick or a sick person lie down. And then do not panic after accident. If we panic, then even others will panic, and that can affect the health of the person if he is seriously injured. Even if we are injured, we have to stay calm. I know it is easy to say, but it is difficult to follow. But still we have to stay calm even during accident. Even if we get injured, we should not panic. Okay, now we dealt with various things like safety on road. Before that we learned safety at school, safety at playground, and safety in swimming pools. Now it is time for an assignment. So there are few things you can try out at home. So first is fill in the blanks. We should cross the road only at dash. Second, use dash for swimming. The next question is, what rules should we follow in school to avoid accidents? Write the rule to be followed on road. What is first aid? So these are the questions that you can try out at home. So I hope you understood today's session, and I also hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. You can put your comments in comment box. So see you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.